Hello friends, welcome to this new video. Today we are going to solve one more business studies paper. It is a set 3. Question paper code is 66, 5 and 3. So let's start with MCQ. Here we can see the first MCQ is given. It is a case study. Here Naman and Vineet, they both are working in a company, and Naman is a CEO and Vineet is a production manager, and they both are talking with each other. So they are asking what type of communication is there, and here Naman, the order was communicated by Naman to Vineet over intercom. Vineet executed the order within the given time period. So here they are talking officially, so this is a formal communication. Option A is the correct answer. Second question is also MCQ. Here one company is there, footwear company is there, and they are asking, and here it has a democratic style of working. Workers are encouraged to carry out a plan for improvement in the organization. Varun is working here as a production in the production department, and he has given some suggestion for that. He was rewarded for it. So the question is, identify the principle of management followed by Vanguard Incorporation. So here the answer is initiative. In initiative, workers are encouraged to carry out their plans and give suggestions. So option C is the answer. Let's move to next question. Next question is there two statements are given, and the both statements are true. They are related to motivation. So the answer is option C. In fourth question, it is a case study. In this case study, they are asking about the incentive which attracted employee of a child O to other organizations. So here one garment manufacturing company is there. They have noticed the laborers are going in another company. Why they are going to other company? They find out that they are going to other company because over there they are getting more autonomy and authority, and that's why they are thinking their jobs are important. So it is the answer is here option D, woman empowerment, where employee empowerment, where employees are getting more authority and autonomy, so they are thinking their jobs are important. Next is here assertion and reason is given, and it is about investment in fixed assets, and the both statements are means assertion is also right and reason is also right. So the option A is the answer here. We can see the next question is given here. Question number 6. Question number 6, which is which of the following is not a factor affecting financial decision? Negative type question is there. Not affecting, we have to find out. So here option D, diversification, is the correct answer. It is not affecting financing decision. Question number 7 is there. Question number 7 is given here. Which of the following is a function of top level management? So we have to read all this, and here option D, they analyze the business environment and its implication for the survival of the firm, is the correct answer, option D. Next is a question number 8. Here we have to choose incorrect statement about money market. So you can see negative questions are there, incorrect statement, and out of these 4, option D, it deals in medium and long term securities. We know that money market is for short term security, and here option D is given, that is not correct about money market. So correct option is option D. Question number 9 is given. It is also a case study, and here identify the factor affecting fixed capital requirement by Canard Limited, kept in mind meet higher anticipated demand quicker. All right, so here Canard Limited is there, automobile manufacturing is there. So Make in India initiative, government has launched and they are expecting that future demand is going to increase, so that's why they want to expand their capacity to meet the demand quickly, and that's why the option growth prospect is the correct answer here for this question. Now question number 10, one picture is given here. It is a picture of a refrigerator and some information is given on the 10-year warranty, digital inverter, 4-star, and many things are given. So identify the following. What shown in the picture, we can see its label is given here, refrigerator label is given and information is there. And question number 11 here, they are asking identify the feature of business environment highlighted here. So here we can see it is given, it is become difficult to comprehend at once exactly constitute a given environment, thus relatively easier to understand the environment in parts but difficult to grasp in totality. So that's why this sentence is explaining that it is a complex. So complexity is the answer, option B. Now question number 12, fill in the blank is there. For holding securities in an electronic form, the investor has to open a demat account with an organization called depository. Okay, through depository they have to open a demat account and in which the shares are held. Next is question number 13. We can see here in question number 13, it is a question from the management chapter. The activities involved in managing enterprise for common to all organization, economic, political, social. So it is a management is all pervasive because it is seen every type of organization. So option B is the correct answer here. Match the following is given. It is about from the marketing chapter. And trademark, brand name, brand mark is given. They all are different. Technical terms are there. So here our answer is option C, trademark, a brand or part of brand that has given legal protection, and you can read afterwards. Here two statements are given and both statements are true statement, and both statements are related to stock exchange and both are true. That's why option is option C. Now we are moving to question number 16. Here it is a given very case study and it is very interesting case study. And we can see the question is identify the point of importance of consumer protection from the point of view of the supermarket, which is helping them to increase customer base. All right. Here the case study is given. It is about supermarket, grocery shop, and here one customer is there who is purchasing a bajra flour, and it was expiry date. When they informed this supermarket, they immediately change it, and they are also thanking them for that. So here supermarket is satisfying the customer. He further told satisfy customer not only lead to repeat sales but also provide good feedback and to the prospective customers. So here the question is given. We can see the attitude of supermarket is there. It is in their interest, and out of this 4 option, long-term interest of business is given. It is related, so that means here answer is option A. Another thing, question number 17 is there. Question number 17, here they are asking the source of recruitment discussed above, and here they have a database of unsolicited applicant in their office. So option is correct answer is option B, casual callers. Next is question number 18. Dash means doing a task correctly with minimum cost. Definitely it is efficiency. Question number 19, plastic waste management rule is there. So it's a legal, the dimension of business environment report, that is a legal environment. And the last question number 20 is given here. Which of the following is not an element of social element? So 4 is there. The option C, rates of savings and investment. It is not an element of social environment, it is an element of economic environment. So here the answer is option C. Now we are moving to 3-mark questions, and here question number 21 is a direct question, so I am not giving any answer. Question number 22 is a case study, and here they are asking identify and explain the method of training. Remember, whenever we are solving case studies, answer is already there in case study and we have to identify it. So some words, some sentence are given in the case study that we have to find out, and that is our answer. From that hints we have to identify the answer. Method of training, and here the manager wants to give some training. Here we can see car manufacturing company is there, and they want to start car rental service, and for that purpose they want to give the production manager suggested them the car were sophisticated and each spare part was very costly. It would be better to provide these car for rental service along with the trained drivers. So trained drivers, so that there would be less wear and tear. So that's why they want to provide the training. So what kind of training is good for sophisticated machinery or cars? So it is a vestibule training. So we have to use here vestibule training, and what is the advantage that we can add on it. Next question number 23 is a direct question, importance of staffing function. Question number 24, again the case study is there. Very interesting and very tricky question is that this is a very tricky question in this paper. Identify and explain the concept of management discussed in the above para. Here Cartigo Fabrics started by Assis in 2001. So they are making towels, sheets, pillow, cushions, bath mats, etc. So all over the India they have 8 teams, 2 teams for each north, east, south, west. But what is going here? Here the sentence is given that to secure unity of action in pursue some common purpose. This sentence is given from this, the case study is solved. Here the answer is coordination. In coordination we are securing the unity of action to pursue some common purpose. So the answer is coordination, and we have to explain one point of its importance. Now we are moving to question number 25. It is again the case study is there. It is a case study of business process outsourcing, and the question is there. The above case highlighted 2 communication barriers. Identify and explain these barriers. So here what happened? Here BPO, business process outsourcing center is there. But what happened here? Whatever the treatments, whatever the communication take place, here the person is not able to translate this message properly due to inefficiency. What you can say, there were not proficient, the person is not proficient in language, and that's why he is not able to translate properly, and that's why it is a semantic barrier. First is a faulty translation is there. Another thing, some technical words are also used, jargon is there, technical jargon. Another communication barrier is there, and this both we have to explain, and both are type of semantic barrier. Now we are moving to question number 26, and it is a long case study, and we can see here here also we can see the successful Chandrayaan-3 chief scientist space rover, a private research group is there. So in this case study what happened? Identify and explain the type of organization in which emerge as a entertainment through reading. So here in this private research group, one more informal organizational structure is developed on the basis of their private network, their social network, on the basis of their friendship, and they are interacting with each other, and they have created entertainment through reading group. So this is a type of organization. This is informal because it is not they are not following any rules or official relation is there. So that's why it is an informal organization, and we have to write 3 advantages that we can easily see from the books. Next is a question. Next question is question 27 was it is a direct question, so we can easily judge it. Any 4 characteristics of planning? So simple question, and the types of plan are there. This is also difference between selling concept and production concept. 4-mark question is there, meaning, main focus, etc. Now we are moving to question number 29. It is also one case study, and in this case study they are asking identify and explain the consumer right discussed in above para. In this, Keval Ram was started a sweet shop, but due to old age he has sold this shop to another. Bhola Ram is there, and Bhola Ram started some unfair trade practice, adulteration he started, and village people are falling sick, and due to which they are trying to complain this. This is all about the case study. So here we can see the right to safety is there. So what is the question? Identify and explain consumer right discussed in above. We can see right to safety, because we are not we cannot sell the product which is harmful for the consumers. So that's why right to safety is there. Another thing, right to be heard is also there, because they are not able to understand where to complain. So right to heard is also there. We are not able to find out the place. So right to safety is the answer, and 2 things are there. First, which discuss, it is right to be heard, and another and also identify and explain consumer right violated by Bhola Ram, that is right to safety. So 2 rights you can explain in this. So now question number 30, 31 and 32 all are direct question. You can see here it is about function of marketing, it is about physical distribution components, it is about significance of principles of management, it is about principles itself, it is about working capital, it is about dividend decision. So all are direct questions, and we are moving to last page of this paper. Question number 33, it is a case study. We can see question number 33 is identify and explain the function of management discussed in above para. So here we can see it's very small case study involving building infrastructure, beautification of city, hospitality, security, duties, discharge, identifying and grouping. So all these things are they are discussing about organizing, and we have to explain how we come to know identify and grouping. Then the departmentalization is there, assigning duties there, and hierarchy structure is there. That's why we can come to know it is organizing, and we have to explain the importance. Now it is a last case study. Last question is there, identify the function of management, quoting the lines. Here we have to quote the line also. Explain the steps of the process of the function of the management discussed. Here controlling function is given, and we have to explain 2 points of importance. Okay, so some steps are there. We can see here memo builders, they are constructing the 5-star hotel for a leading hotel chain. So here what happened, the hotel had to given possession by next year, but the construction of hotel was running 6 months behind schedule. That means they have measured, first they have measured the actual performance here. The step is their actual performance. What we have to do? Explain the steps of the process of the function management discussed. So here we have to explain the controlling process, but we have to also quoting the lines. We can see here measuring the actual performance is there. Then they have analyzing the deviation, why they are late. Their analyzing is the analyzing is given. What analyzing is given? That 3 to 10 machines were being used by the workers, they are defective, and additional workers were not called. Huge absenteeism is there. So analyzing deviation is there, and corrective actions are also given. The project has had appoint additional worker with attractive wages to ensure the deadline. So all the process are given, and we have to take lines from the case study. It is about measuring performance, analyzing deviation, taking corrective action, and all things are given. That like this we have to complete the answer. I hope it will be helpful for you. Thank you so much.